gitna ng gitgitang bakbakan para sa playoffs. Narito ang top 5 plays this week. Ikalima, dangdang ka na para kay Rain or Shine Import, Duke Cruz.
Because he would have much preferred good ball movement. Ano naman dagdag? Galing kay Duke Cruz.
The same spot, right?
Yep.
Ngayon, one-hander naman, slammed it right through.
Stay away because he's coming through.
Ika-apat, magpintis man si Dillinger. Nandiyan naman si Donald Harvey para mag-putback slam.
Jared on the run, crossover. Donald Harvey is there to clean it up.
Just a beautiful move on the part of Jared, but a better job on the part of Harvey.
Pumapangatlo naman si Jeff Jackie Chan na magsiset up kay Gabe Norwood ng isang high-flying Kung Fu Dunk.
So ito ang Rain or Shine kung palaki ng lamang nila.
Oh yes!
They go to Norwood! High in the sky, play out of nowhere, partner. Took us all by surprise.
Coming in from the outside, Gabe Norwood slamming it home.
Pumapangalawa naman si H-Bomb sa kanyang ama ng mga alahoy na no-look super pectus and one shot.
Roman, pinukol, papunta kay Hatfield. Hatfield gets the basket! What a shot from the H-Bomb!
First of all, Jackson Roman going for a touchdown. This is a Hail Mary. Hail Mary answer.
Full of grace para dito kay Rudy Hatfield.
At ang nanguna, ang The Moves na kumalat sa buong mundo. Ang walang katulad na The Flop starring Nick Pinisi.
When you look at the turnovers forced today,
Tala, stopping ka ng bola doon. Nagkatama sa braso. Uy, delayed reaction.
And the people here in the Coliseum, napanood nila yung replay. Pati sila Tuwa-tuwa yung mga tao
Kung may adrenaline rush ka, hindi mo masyadong napapansin yung mga sakit
Ay, tumama pala! Tumama!
Even Vic Vinicius is now laughing at himself.
Si Vic Vinicius yung gumigit Tuwan-tuwa siya sa sarili niya
Mababagsik, makukulay, at kakaiba. Ganyan talaga ang PBA players dito sa ating top 5 plays ngayong linggo.